So now I will show you how to on the easiest way to change your shift knob. So I bought one from AliExpress with this digital view of the gears, and I'll show you how to change it. So first of all, put your ignition like this and change it on N. Later I will show you why it's important to put it in. And then you should to open this from here. This, it's not difficult. Press it out and then just put it so. From here like this. The next step is to open it from here. So start from here part and this one, and it's not difficult to take it out like this. And then you should release this plastic button from this. I will show you later why it's that important. So like this from button will need to be free. And then you should release this cable connector. You see in here. To release the cable from this. After you put the cable connector out, you need to go down this plastic part and put it out like in this direction up. And then just take your car knob, but you need to take it. It will be a little bit difficult, and put it out, so like this outside. And on time when you put your shift knob out, so you turn it like this, and then with screwdriver you should take this plastic part out. With this you should be a little bit patient, because it's not easy to do it. So I found a way how to take it out. So just put your screwdriver here and turn him like this, and this little plastic part will go outside. And just put him out. Inside is also one plastic so ring like this, protection. Okay. So next move is to put your new shift knob inside, and to put this plastic inside, and after just put a cable connector. So this connector you put splitter, this cable splitter put in this in car, with car cable. You should connect it. Difficult with one hand. And then one you put here in this connection, and one in shift knob. Next move is to, after you connected all cable, like you see, it's already make light. And after put this, you need to open this part here. So open it from here up, because if you remember from start, you should to connect now. Sorry. So you should to connect this white. Oh, it's difficult with one hand. So connect this one to this little shift knob, to this button. Okay. This. So just put it like this. So you need to put this plastic now inside of this shift part. So I need both hands for this job. So I make it like you see. Now it's this one plastic part inside. Just make sure that it's good, fix it, and then close this plastic part from shift. And after you do it, then just to fix this small, I don't know how it's called, this only on this part of your shift knob. Please be careful to not take cable. Just fix it now with one normally screwdriver. So like this. Okay, and after we fix it to this part on this white plastic, just close it. Be sure to be patient with the cables. Put it nice and gently down. So, and the result it's like this. And it's really nice and smooth functioning. So thank you for watching. So old one and new one, Volkswagen SHARAN 2013.